undergarments. Fuck my nose! And I'm sick. Oh my god, I'm like weak from sniffling. Fuck shit, fuck shit, fuck! That's really attractive. What? And I can spin. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was a hiccup, not a piercing. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have another hole here. 12, 13. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have another hole here. 18. And then 19, 20. I get out of breath so easy when I can't breathe through my nose. This is a sad day. Yeah, sure. Oh, you fuckface. Is it really that wrong to kill a cat? Damien! You fuckface homosexual. I don't like being sick, but I do like swivel chairs, chairs that move, because I can move now. I feel mobile as opposed to my normal boring room couch, in which I've grown quite accustomed to sitting on during my videos. I know it's boring. Damien, I will fucking, what can I throw at him? Oh, shut up. God, I love Bravo. Thank you, YouTube viewers, for viewing on my YouTube. God, that's a good word. Bye. No. No, it's not. It's called Propel. Not Propel. It's Propel. Yeah. Women's underwear.